All right, we got 3 big old fat turds sitting here. We're gonna give them a run. We got the little turd, we got the little junior turd, and we got the big old fat turd. Which one do you think is gonna be faster? Hey, we got a visitor today, Muffler. Muffler.
That's a different guy.
Muffler came up to visit. He brought a couple of saws with him. He's been running them. Maybe we should talk him into running them.
I did run the one.
No, that's
ProMac 60.
Yeah, ProMac 60. And what is that? Is that the Farmer Tech 201
Kind of.
thing?
But it's got a 201 cylinder and piston on it.
Yeah. Kind of like a Farmer Tech 201.
It's a Farmer Tech 200T
200.
with a 201 cylinder and piston on it and a carburetor. Don't ask me why, I got bored.
But we're up here playing.
And it changed garbage on it. Like it's
Garbage for chain?
not garbage, it's not my saw. It's a saw I built for a guy, and it's just,
Hey, she cuts wood, right?
I mean, it's a tree climbing saw.
It's somebody else's saw, so they're going to run it with a dull chain, so you might as well see if it can handle a dull chain.
That's the way I look at it. That's what I thought when I started. I mean, because he will run it with a dull chain. He
Yep,
won't.
let's build it to handle dull chain, right?
Yeah. But that maple is hard.
Oh, looks like we're going to run this guy. That's the 372 Pro. We're going to give it another run. We're going to lean it out a bit. And we are running a square chain on a 20-inch bar. So a little bit different setup than last time. 8-pin sprocket, 24-inch bar, square chain. But this time we're going to lean it out. Last time we ran it on a rich tune. This time we're going to lean her out and see what she does. Cuts wood.
Pretty good, because I mean it's a tree saw. So
Yeah. Over here, what, you're gonna run your ProMac 60?
I'm gonna try. Maybe it won't even start.
out of go-go juice.
Yep. He's dry.
Yeah.
Something about it, they're hard on fuel. This has only got a 1 jet on it.
Yeah.
This cell's all original. It has the original carburetor on. So to jet this carburetor, you have to take it apart.
Well,
that's back when men were men.
honestly, I just leave it as is. It runs good.
Yeah, I've had this cell since I've been 14 years old or something. He's smiling. It must run pretty good.
Yeah, she's running better than I thought it would.
It does run pretty good.
So just in one session.
They do look cool with that carbon fiber on them.
That's square chain too.
Yeah, I thought you hit that nail here.
Yeah. I started and I was like, what is that? And I stopped.
That's why I didn't cut on it. That stank's running okay, but that chain's probably going.
That saw's running better than I thought it would. I was thinking I was going to go back into it. I think I'm just going to leave it and see how she progresses. That's an 8-pin too.
Is it?
Yeah. That's a 94 roof with an 8-pin. You think that's... I bet you we're ticking close to 13,000 right there cutting. I think we're getting close.
It's pretty close. It's getting up there itself.
Yeah. It sounds high 12s.
That's why it does a...
Yeah, she's a little warm. You know. She gets a little warm on you. But she's running good.
good, but I'm going to say this is probably the fastest 372 on YouTube right now.
No.
Yes. Them other guys cut pine trees. How it's going to look fast?
I don't know. Gee, cooks.
I run a lot of 372s. This thing here running his alcohol, so. Just saying. Miserable kind, huh? Nothing to be ashamed of.
She plows through oak pretty nice.
Put some methanol in it, it'll really run. I mean, it runs pretty good.
That's on an 8-pin. I think it would do better on a 7, but I mean, if you rely on the RPM a little more, the 8-pin's just fine. It's whenever you torque on it that you're kind of like, yeah, I think the 7 would be better, you know?
It's got that, when you really lean on it. Yeah. I'm going to say it's probably the fastest one on YouTube right now. Now, granted, we're not out.
I mean, there's some fast ones.
I mean, we're not out west cutting pine trees.
No.
You know.
No.
Them guys say that stuff's hard, but, I mean, they've never cut any hard maple or dead elm or anything, so they wouldn't have any clue, but. That's every bit as fast as my 660 on a good day.
It's a big bore kit. It's the cheapest big bore kit you can buy.
Yeah, I wouldn't. That's nothing to be ashamed of. No, I don't know if it's the fastest one on YouTube or not. I just like stirring it up a little bit. But it does run pretty good. I mean, I'm sure there's way faster ones out there, but that would have run with them out there at Salt. That's every bit as fast as the one Hopper built. Where's it at? Has it got a bar and chain on it?
That'll outrun the Hopper saw.
Think it will?
I know it will. We'll have to wait and do that another day. I don't have a bar and chain and everything on it, but this has the RPM.
I approve it because this muffler deleted. It's loud as
well. So if you're torquing through the cut, the Hopper saw is going to win.
Yeah, but it's got that tractor power in it. You got to put some tractor power in that.
Yeah, well, that is...
You know what I mean?
We're still less than 2 tanks of fuel, so it took 2 years, or a year or two for that to break into where like that. How long is it going to take this?
Yeah, and that was you running it on the mill to get it.
Yeah, I should do that with this. Yeah, another day out here having fun. You know, running some saws, playing in the sawdust.
Runs pretty good. I wouldn't be ashamed of it.
Nope, that thing runs quite well, actually.
Could be the fastest one on YouTube right now. But then again, it's not out west cutting in pine trees, so. That's just me having fun, y'all, by the way. And I'm muffler, if you haven't noticed that by the end of the video. I kind of muffler because I, you know, just kind of say what
Stirring the pot, right?
Stirring the pot.
Stirring the pot. But anyway, yeah, there's another day of us having fun. He's come up, try out his saws, tried out my saw. Just kind of hanging out, you know what I mean?
Some garage parts up.
Yeah, some garage parts, and brought me a door. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this little one. Let us know what you think. I like all 3 saws myself. They're all special in their own way. You know what I mean?